In this video we will solve question number 13, 14 and 15 as well, but the full question will not be solving. Some of the statements or you can say some of the transaction where the wrong entry has been done or passed or recorded or posted, we will be solving few of them. Means from every question 3 or 4 entries we will be doing. Starting from question number 13, credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were recorded in the purchases book. However, Mohan's account was correctly debited. First of all, we will write the correct entry. Credit sales to Mohan entry will be when sales are made, Mohan account debit to sales. Mohan account debit to sales account. Question number 13, first one, the A, 7,000. Now, what is the wrong is that? The wrong entry, it was recorded in the purchases book. Now you can know it very well that although this is a sale to Mohan, the goods have been sold to Mohan, but it was recorded in the purchases book. Means if it is recorded in the purchases book, means as we know when goods are purchased, it is to be debited. So the wrong entry is purchases account was wrongly debited. Purchases account was, because it is recorded in the purchases book, it means it has been debited, account will be debited. But however, Mohan's account was correctly debited. One more thing is to be noted here is that Mohan's account was correctly debited. Although it was recorded in the purchases book, but Mohan's account was correctly debited. Although it means Mohan account was to be debited and it has been debited. So the wrong entry is that Mohan account has also been debited with 7,000. There is no credit is there. It means the credit is not there. Now as you know, here Mohan account should have been debited and it has already been debited also. So there is nothing wrong in recording the Mohan account that it was to be debited, it has been debited. What is the wrong entry that Mohan account was debited with 7,000, sorry, this purchase was debited with 7,000. In order to cancel this, we will credit purchases account to cancel the purchases which was wrongly debited. Purchases account 7,000. Now this part is also over. Now the correct entry should have been sales account should have been credited, but it has not been credited. As you can see, the wrong entry is that sales account should have been credited, but it has not been credited. So we have to credit sales account as well. To sales account. To sales account 7,000. Now this is also done. Now all the transactions which were recorded either correctly or wrongly, that has been, you can say, included in the rectified entry, but you can see that there is only credit transactions are there, means two accounts have been credited, there is no debit in the entry which are passing. But for every debit there should be a corresponding credit should be there. Since there is no other account to be debited, only credit is there, the balance amount will be debited, means it will be debited to suspense account. Means suspense account will be debited with the balance amount. Suspense account debit. Amount will be 7 plus 7, 14,000. It will be debited with 14,000. Now let us do the third entry under this. The C. Question number 13 C. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000. First of all, we will record the correct entry. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000. If goods are returned, Rakesh will be receiving the goods. If goods are returned, Rakesh will be receiving the goods. Entry will be Rakesh account debit. Rakesh account debit. The amount is 4,000. It has been, you can say, it was returned to, goods has been returned to Rakesh. It means this is a purchase return. Because whatever we are returning, whatever is returned, whatever has been purchased. So the credit will be to purchase return account. To purchase return account. Purchase return account 4,000. This is the correct entry. Now let us see the next full sentence. What is that? Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 were recorded in sales return book. It is a purchase return, but it was recorded in sales return. As you know, sales is credited and sales return is debited. It has been recorded in sales return. It means the sales return was debited. Sales return sales return account. Sales return account debit 4,000. It was recorded in the sales return. However, Rohan's account, Rakesh's account was correctly debited. Although it was recorded in sales return, but Rakesh's account was also correctly debited. Means Rakesh's account was also debited. Rakesh's account debited 4,000. Again, there is no credit transaction in there. Now you can see Rakesh's account was to be debited. It has been debited also. So nothing wrong is there. Now you can see sales return was to be credited. It has not been credited. So what we have to do? We have to credit sales return account to sales return account. No, this is the purchase return. Purchase return should have been credited. It has not been credited. That is why it will be credited to purchase return. To purchase return account 4,000. Now this is also done. Now you can see sales return has been debited, but as you can see in the correct entry there is no need of sales return is not required. It has been wrongly debited. It means it has been wrongly debited. In order to cancel this sales return, we will credit sales return also with 4,000. What we will do? We will credit sales return to sales return account. To sales return account 4,000. Now this is also over. Now all the 4 transactions we have included in the rectified entry. Now there is no other account to be debited again. As you can see, only credit transactions are there. So the difference will be debited to suspense account. Suspense account debit. Amount will be 4 plus 4, 8,000. 8,000. Now let us do one more under question number 13E. Goods returned to Naresh. Goods returned. Earlier we had written that goods returned to, it was, let us do almost both are one and the same. The question number C and E are very much related. That is why we will be doing D part. Question number 13D. Goods returned from Mahesh. Goods returned from Mahesh means from Mahesh the goods are being returned. Means whatever was sold, it is being now returned back to us. It is coming back to us. So this is a sales return, and this is sales return is from goods returned from Mahesh. If goods returned are there, that is a sales return. So sales return will be debited. Sales return account debit. Sales return account debit to Mahesh account. Mahesh account. Amount is 1,000. Now as you know why sales return will be debited, because if sales are made, it is a income for us, and for root for income is credit all income and gain. Now this sales is being cancelled, so this is no more income. This is actually loss for the company, because since the goods which were sold earlier, now it is being returned, so it is a loss for the company. That is why sales return will be debited. Now moreover, Mahesh is a person. Root for personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So giver is whom? Mahesh. Mahesh is returning the goods, means Mahesh is giving the goods. So Mahesh account has been credited. Now what is the wrong which has been done? It has been recorded through purchase return. It has been recorded through purchase return. Means purchase return is what? Purchase is debited and purchase return is credited. Means it has been recorded as to purchase return. Purchase return has been credited. Instead of sales return, it has been recorded as purchase return. Instead of sales return, it has been recorded as purchase return. Moreover, one more thing is that however Mahesh account was correctly credited. But Mahesh account was correctly credited also. It means Mahesh account was also credited to Mahesh account. To Mahesh account 1,000. There is no debit part in this, as you know. Now you can see Mahesh account was to be credited and Mahesh account has been credited also. So there is nothing wrong in the Mahesh account. Now as you can see, the purchase return has been credited. it has been credited, but there is no need to credit purchase return. So what we have to do? The correction will be, in order to cancel this credit, we will debit purchase return. Purchase return account debit. Purchase return account debit 1000. Now this entry is over. Now you can see the sales return. This has been not, it should have been credited. It should have been debited, but it has not been debited yet. You can see there is no debit of sales return. So to pass the correct entry, we will debit sales return also. Sales return account debit. Sales return account debit 1000. Now this has also been recorded. Now you can see all the 4 entries we have included by passing. We have seen that we have recorded it in the rectified entry. There is no other account to be credited. So the difference, the total of this will be transferred to suspense account, that is 2000 to suspense account. To suspense account 2000. This is question number 30. Let us come to question number 15 now. 14. Question number 14. First one. Question number 14. First one, furniture purchased for 10,000 wrongly debited to purchases account. Now you can see when furniture is purchased, the entries should have been furniture is an asset, and when assets increases, it is to be debited. Means furniture is an asset. If furniture increases, it will be debited. That is furniture account debit. Furniture account debit 10,000 is the amount of furniture which has been purchased, and there is no, the name of the party is not given from whom the furniture is being purchased. It means we will assume it as a cash transaction. We will assume it as a cash transaction. Furniture account debit to cash account 10,000. Now this has been wrongly recorded, that is debited to purchases account. This has been wrongly debited to purchases account. Means instead of furniture being debited, it has been debited to purchases. As you know, purchases will be debited only when those things which are purchased in which the business is dealing, for that we debit purchases account. But here nothing is mentioned as if it is a, you can say the businessman is dealing in furniture, dealing in furniture. That is why it will not be treated as a good, but it will be treated as a, you can say, as a fixed asset. So now the wrong entry is that instead of furniture, purchases were debited. So what we will do? The wrong entry is furniture. Instead of furniture, purchase has been debited. Purchase has been debited. That is 10,000. Moreover, it is nothing mentioned that there is anything wrong had been done. This wrong entry is there with regard to cash. So cash will remain as it is. We were assuming that this has been recorded as a purchase, as cash purchase. Now you can see that in both the entries cash has been credited, so you do not have to do anything with regard to cash account. Only difference is that furniture should have been debited. Since it has not been debited, so we will debit furniture account. We will debit furniture account 10,000. This is the wrong entry. The purchases should has been debited, but as you can see in the correct entry, there is no need of purchase account is not required at all. So it means it has wrongly been debited. So in order to cancel this, we will debit purchases account to purchases account. This is the rectified part. Now come to C part. Question number 14C. Repair on machine 1400 debited to machinery account. First of all, this is a repair. Repair is an expense, and for a rule for expenses and losses, it is to be debited. So repair is an expense, that is why repair should have been debited. So the correct entry is repair account debit to cash. If you are getting your machine repaired or anything repaired, you will be paying means cash will be going out of the business, that is why cash will be credited. The amount of repair is 1400. 1400. Now it is given in the question that instead of repair it has been debited to machine account. So what is the wrong entry? That instead of repair it has been debited to machinery account. Machinery account debit to cash account. 1400. Now cash should have been credited. Cash has already been credited. So nothing wrong is that. Repair should have been debited. It has not been debited. You can see here what is the wrong entry. This is the wrong entry. Means repair should have been debited. Since it has not been debited, we will debit repair account. Repair account debit 1400. Now this is over. Now as you can see, machinery account has been debited and there is no need to debit machinery account because in the correct entry there is no need of machinery account. It has been wrongly debited, so we will cancel it by crediting machinery account to machinery account. 1400. Let us come to question 14E part. Sale of old machine at book value 3000 was credited to sales account. It is a sale of old machine. When the machine is being sold, means cash will be coming to the business, so cash account will be debited. Cash account debited. The amount of book value is 3000. For 3000 the machine is being sold. Now you can see machine is an asset. When asset comes in, we debit the asset. When asset is going out of the business, we will be crediting asset. Similarly, when the machine is being sold, it will be going out of the business, so it will be credited. Because if asset goes out or if its asset decreases, it is to be credited. So if the machine is being sold, it will decrease. So 3000 we will be crediting machine account. This is the correct entry. What is the wrong is that instead of crediting machine, it has been debit. Sales account has been credited. So the wrong entry is cash account debit to sales. 3000 to sales account. 3000. Now cash has been debited. It should have been debited already. Cash has been debited also. So there is nothing wrong in this. You can see that machine account should have been credited. It has not been credited. So what we will do, in order to rectify this, it should have been credited. Since it has not been credited, so we will credit machine account to machinery account 3000. Now this is also done. As you can see, the sales have been credited, but there is no need to credit sales account. It has wrongly been credited, so we will, in order to rectify this, we will debit sales account to make the correction. Sales account debit. Sales account debit 3000. Now both the debit and credit, you can see it is equal. So there is no need to pass open suspense account here in this case. Whenever debit and credit amount are equal, there is no need to open suspense account. Only when there is difference while passing rectification entry, there is any difference in the debit and credit amount, the balance will be transferred to suspense account. Let us come to question number 15 also. Question number 15, 14 we have done. Question number 15 now. Question number 15. Rectify the following error assuming the suspension account. Actually, suspense account should have been written. Suspense account was opened, ascertain the difference in the trial balance also. So let us do all this transaction we were doing, and we will be preparing the, you can say this suspense account as well. So the difference in the trial balance was 8800 also. So when excess credit was there, it means if there is excess credit, it means, as you can see, this is, suppose this is the trial balance. This is debit side, this is credit side. Assuming that the assets have been written, assets have been written here, or you can say debit balances. These are the debit balances. Here only credit balances are written. In the credit side, credit balances are written. In the debit side, debit balances are written. Now, it is given in the question that there was, no, this is part of the answer. Difference in trial balance 8,800 excess credit. It is part of the answer. So let us first of all solve this, all the general entries, and later on we will prepare suspense account as well to have a better idea how suspense account is also prepared. So starting with question number 1, question number 15a. Question number 15a, furniture purchased for 10,000 wrongly debited to purchases account as 4,000. Furniture purchased for 10,000. Now, when furniture is purchased, entry will be furniture account debit. Furniture account debit. 10,000 is the amount of furniture which has been purchased, yes, to cash account. Since name of the party is not given, means we will assume it as a cash purchase, 10,000. This is the correct entry. Now, was wrongly debited to purchases account as 4,000. Means when furniture is purchased, furniture should have been debited, but instead of this, purchases has been debited. Instead of this, purchases has been debited. Purchases account debit has been debited with rupees 4,000. Has been debited with, and wrongly debited to purchases account as 4,000. 4 purchases have been debited with 4,000. There is nothing wrong in the cash. So this is the wrong entry. Cash account will remain same. There is nothing wrong. Cash account will remain same. Now, here you can see cash has been created. Cash should have been created with 10,000. It has been created with 10,000. So nothing wrong is there. Furniture has been debited with 1,000. It should have been debited with 10,000. But it has not been debited. So we will debit furniture account. We will debit furniture account. Furniture account debit. Furniture account debit. This we have done. Now, this purchase has been wrongly debited. So in order to cancel this debit, we will credit purchases account. 4,000 is the debit, so with 4,000 we will credit it to purchases account. To purchases account 4,000. This is also over. Now you can see here the debit part is 10,000, but the credit is only 4,000. So there is difference in the credit balance. The credit is less by 6,000. So this, for this, suspense account will be opened for the difference amount to suspense account. To suspense account 6,000. So that the credit and the debit is equal. Now you can see the credit is 10,000 and the debit is also 10,000. Means suspense account will be opened, or the balance of the difference between the debit and the credit will be transferred to suspense account. Now let us come to the B part. Machine purchased on credit from Raman 20,000. Machine being purchased on credit from Raman. Entry will be machine account debit to Raman. Machinery account debit to Raman account. Amount is 20,000. Machinery account debit to Raman. This is the correct entry if it is purchased on credit. Since it has been purchased from Raman on credit, this will be the entry. It has been recorded through purchases book as 6,000. So it has been recorded through purchases book. It means instead of machine, purchases account was debited. And this was debited with how much? 6,000. It was debited with 6,000. But there is nothing mentioned regarding Raman. It means it was correctly recorded in Raman's book. Raman account 30,000, 20,000. Machinery purchased on credit from Raman 20,000 was recorded through purchases book as 6,000. It was recorded through the purchases book. In the purchase book, it was recorded as 6,000. It means if it was recorded in the purchases book as 6,000, it means let us see it again. Furniture purchase, first one debited to purchases account as 4,000. Was recorded in purchase. Again, machinery purchase on credit from around 20,000 was recorded through purchases book as 6,000. This is 6,000. This is 6,000. Since it was recorded in the purchases book, so it means it will be recorded in the Raman book also as 6,000. If it has been recorded in the purchases as 6,000, in purchase book it has been recorded, so it will be recorded in Raman book also as 6,000. Now you can see the correct entry. Machine account should have been debited with how much? 20,000. But it has not been debited, so we will first of all debit machine account. Machinery account debit 20,000. This entry is over. Now you can see this Raman account. Raman account was to be credited with 20,000, but it has been credited with 6,000 only. It means we will credit Raman account with 14,000 to Raman account. See again, Raman account should have been credited with 20,000. It has been wrongly credited with 6,000. So balance amount is 14,000. Means Raman account will be credited with 14,000 more, so that his account total credit of Raman is 20,000. This is also over. Purchase has wrongly been debited. So in order to cancel, we will debit purchases account to purchases account. To purchases account 6,000. Now here there is no need of suspense account because the debit as well as the credit both are equal to 20,000. Now let us come to the third one, the C part. Question number 15. Repair on machine 1400 debited to machinery account as 2400. Repair on machine. The machine has been repaired. There is repair on machine. So since this is a repair is an expense, and expenses should be expenses losses is debited. So repair is an expense, it will be debited. Entry will be repair account debit to cash. Repair account debit to cash account 1400. Repair will be debited with 1400 because it is an expense and expenses is to be debited. Now it has been debited to machinery account. Means moreover, when you are getting your machine repaired, so cash will be going out of the business because in the form of if you get your things repaired, you have to pay cash or as an expense. So it has been debited to machine account as for 2400. So the wrong entry is machinery account debit. Machinery account debit to cash account 2400. Now it is to be very clearly kept in mind debited to machine account. Question in the question it is clearly given that repair on machine is 1400. So the correct entry will be repair account debit to machine 1400. But it is also given in the question in the statement that it has been debited to the machine account as 2400. In the machine account only the wrong entry has been done. That is in the machine account 2400 has been recorded. It means in the cash account there is no difference, or you can say in the cash account it was correctly recorded. So now you can see repair should have been debited, but there is no repair has been debited. So what we have to do? We have to debit repair account first of all. Repair account debit. Repair account debit 1400. This part we have done. Now cash should have been created and cash has been created with 1400. Here also cash is 1400. So no need to do rectification for cash transaction for the cash entry. Again, the machine has been debited with 2400, but there is no need of machine account at all in the question. In the you can say it should not have been recorded. So it has been wrongly debited. So in order to cancel, we will credit machine account to machine account. To machinery account 2400. Now you can see here the machine The debit is 1400 and the credit is 2400. Means the credit is more. So that the debit and credit is equal, we will pass or open a suspense account, and 1000 is the difference. We will be writing debiting suspense account with 1000. Suspense account debit 1000. Now the debit as well as the credit both will become 2400.